I bought and tested these top engine oil stop leak products so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. I've been in the same boat, desperate to fix that pesky oil leak without the hassle of major repairs. Trust me, I've done the legwork and I'm here to share what works and what doesn't.
Product number 1. 4 Uncle's 200cc Fluid Extractor. Let me tell you about my experience with the 4 Uncle's 200cc Fluid Extractor. I recently had a DIY oil change project on my hands, and I was eager to get my hands dirty. This fluid extractor turned out to be an absolute lifesaver. With its longer tubes, I could reach those hard-to-reach spots in my engine bay without any fuss. The double-sealed security feature gave me peace of mind knowing there wouldn't be any leaks. I was pleasantly surprised by how easy it was to use. The quick connection system made the whole process a breeze. I was able to precisely measure the oil I was extracting, thanks to the marked scale on the transparent body. The versatility of this tool is impressive. Whether you're dealing with boats, motorcycles, or cars, it has you covered. However, it does have its quirks. While the design is generally robust, I found that the plastic material could feel a bit flimsy during heavy use. But overall, if you're looking for an affordable and effective extractor, this is definitely worth considering. The 4 Uncle's Fluid Extractor is a tool that makes oil changes easier and more efficient, and it's a must-have for any DIY mechanic.
Product number 2. Smart Jerry Spill-Proof Engine Oil Funnel Kit. I want to talk about the Smart Jerry Spill-Proof Engine Oil Funnel Kit. I invested in this funnel kit for my oil changes, and it has been nothing short of revolutionary. First off, the premium polycarbonate material is incredibly durable, making it a smart long-term investment. The funnel holds up to 1.6 quarts of oil and features a transparent body that allows me to see exactly how much oil is left. The kit includes 12 color-coded adapters, which is a game changer for anyone who works on multiple vehicles. I found the magnetic boards for organizing the adapters to be a thoughtful addition, keeping everything in one place. The spill-proof design is truly remarkable. No more worrying about oil spilling all over my engine bay. I also appreciated the 45-degree elbows, which made it so easy to reach those tricky fill ports. On the downside, the price point is a bit higher than some other funnels, but the quality and efficiency justify the cost. If you want an oil funnel that combines convenience and effectiveness, the Smart Jerry kit is definitely a worthy investment.
Product number 3. AC Delco GM Original Equipment Cooling System Sealing Tabs. The AC Delco GM Original Equipment Cooling System Sealing Tabs are a game changer for anyone who has experienced leaks in their engine components. I had a situation where my oil pan was leaking, and I was hesitant to face a costly repair. I decided to give these sealing tabs a shot, and I was amazed by their effectiveness. The application was quick and straightforward. Once I applied the tabs, I could immediately fill the assembly with oil. The high viscosity formula cures when exposed to air, creating a robust seal that is held up through my daily commutes. I loved that I could use it on various engine components, from oil pans to manifold corners. However, I did notice that it may take some time to fully cure, so patience is key. If you're looking for an easy and cost-effective solution to manage leaks in your engine, these sealing tabs are a must-try.
Product number 4. Blue Devil Head Gasket Sealer. Let's dive into the Blue Devil Head Gasket Sealer. This product caught my attention when I discovered it could tackle blown head gaskets without the need for a full-blown engine rebuild. I decided to give it a shot after experiencing a minor leak that was driving me up the wall. The application process was remarkably simple. No special tools required, just pour it in and let it do its magic. The permanent seal it provides is impressive, and I was relieved to see that it didn't clog or harm my engine. It's compatible with both gasoline and diesel engines, which adds to its versatility. My only downside is that it may not work for everyone, especially if the damage is severe. But if you're in a pinch and need a reliable fix, I wholeheartedly recommend giving Blue Devil a try. Product number 5. Extraspo 500cc Fluid Extractor. Last but not least, I tested the Extraspo 500cc Fluid Extractor. This tool is a must-have for anyone who frequently changes fluids in their vehicles.
I found it incredibly efficient for extracting various fluids, from transmission oil to coolant. The two transparent hoses that come with it are long enough to reach tight spots, which I found invaluable during my last oil change. The double sealing ring design ensures no leaks, and I felt confident using it for multiple applications. One of the standout features is that it can be used in a wide range of scenarios, from cars to ships. However, I did notice that it can be a bit tricky to clean after use, which is something to keep in mind. That said, if you're looking for a versatile and effective fluid extractor, the Extraspo is definitely worth considering. In conclusion, each of these products brings something unique to the table, whether you're tackling oil changes or sealing leaks. My top recommendations would be the Smart Jerry funnel for its convenience and the Blue Devil sealer for those tough gasket issues. Remember, investing in quality tools can save you time and money in the long run. Happy wrenching!